Okay, everybody, so right now I am about to wash my car, and I have Nassim in the front seat with me, and I'm going to record his reaction to see how he's going to react to when I go through the car wash. Okay. I'm right here. You see it? It's okay. I'm right here. I'm right here. Not saying it's okay. Mommy's right here. Okay. 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 Wanna take your seatbelt off real quick? Here for me. So, ooh, you see all the soap and bubbles? Can you get your hand on my shirt? You see all the soap and bubbles, Nassim? Yeah. Ooh. Of course, he wants to look all of my stuff. You want to go through all my stuff too? Don't pull my shirt. Sit down. I'm right here. It's okay.
This is the wax. Doesn't it take down that split thing?
You say it again, Kalima.
Doesn't it take down that split thing? That Never mind.
My car needed a wash, huh?
Yeah. It smells like wax.
It smells like, you smell it?
Yeah, it smells like cherry.
I don't smell it.
Or is that your scented or air?
It must be my, I have air freshener. It's rinsing. Want to sit down? Okay, Massey. Is it almost done? No, we gotta. It's almost done. I think it's done. Okay, now see. You just. Okay, sit down. What the hell?
Where's my boat?
Why is it not drying?
No, right here.
This is our second time around, everybody, inside the car wash. So hopefully when it washes my car gets it dry. I can dry my car. Because the first time we went in this car wash, it did not dry my car. So we'll see. He did not want to get back in his car seat, everybody. He just want to be on me. Huh? He's actually doing good. As long as he's sitting on my lap. Huh, so I'm a big boy. So I'm gonna be 2. You gonna be 2? And we had this one back here. It's about to turn 11 in 4 days. She's so excited for her birthday, huh? Can we see you back there? Oh, there we go. There she is. She's about to be 11, everybody, in 4 days. Birthday coming up. Look at all the bubbles on my window. It's okay. Okay. Oh no! It's okay, Nassim. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Mommy's sorry. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm right here. Mommy's right here. It's okay. Okay. Spoke too soon. It's cleaning our car. Our car needs a cleaning.
Because the car was like, wash me.
Yeah, the car was dirty. Halima wanted to wash me on the back of my car. You know you did, huh? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. 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 Somebody not liking it. Somebody not liking it. Okay, everybody, we made it to my cousin Sharon's daughter Camille's drive-through birthday party. So yeah, we are in Los Angeles, California. This is actually on Central, somewhere off the Central, but anyways, that's where we're at. So yeah, we made it. It's like about to be 4.
I blew up all them balloons.
Look how big she is.
Man.
Dang, 16.
2 more years, I ain't gonna have no more kids.
Nope.
Everybody gonna be grown. Like, oh shoot, that is so awesome. Oh, these are. I'm gonna show you.
This is Nassim little shenanigans. What he do? Nassim, put it back in there. You can't get in that. Nassim, you're on candid camera. This is the voice, something else. Turn my light back on. Not saying leave the boy. Turn it back on. And leave it alone. We ain't gonna record you no more because you be acting up. You be doing the most. Yes, you. The most. Say bye. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Say bye.
Bye.